Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add custom widget on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just go to the Play Store. Now from here just search KWGT Custom Widget Maker. Now from here just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here tap on Let's Go and tap on Next. Now from here, tap on Next. Now from here, just grant this app these permissions. Now from here, just select a folder, tap on Select Folder. Now from here, we will scroll down. Now from here, we will select Download. Now from here, tap on Use this folder. Now from here, we will select the Documents folder. Now from here, just tap on Use this folder. Now from here, tap on Allow and tap on Create folder. Now from here, tap on Close. Now once you have set up the KWGT Custom Widget Maker, just download any pre-made packs for KWGT. Just search KWGT Widget Packs. Now from here you can download any pre-made pack you like. We will download this one. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now from here, once the app is fully downloaded, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap and hold on the home screen. Now from here, tap on Widgets. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, just add the KWGT widget to your home screen. We will select this one. Now from here, you can resize the KWGT widget just like that. Now from here, just tap on the KWGT widget. Now from here, scroll down. Now as you can see, this is the widget pack we just downloaded. Now from here, scroll down and select the widget you like. We will select this one. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now from here, you can edit the widget you just chose. Now from here, if you go to Items, you can select the widget, just like that. Now from here, if you go to Items, you can select the parts of the widget, just like that. Now from here, if you go to Background, you can change the color of the background, just like that. Now from here, if you go to Background, you can change the color of the background, just like that. Now from here, just tap on Apply. Now from here, now from here, we will select, now from here, as you can see, we have changed the color of the background, but I think the black color looks better. Hit Apply. Now from here, if you go to Globals, you can change the color of the font and the strokes, just like that. Just hit Apply. Now as you can see, we have changed the color. Now from here, you can change the color of the text, just like that. Now from here, once you have changed the colors of the widget, now you can see the widget is zoomed in. Now to change the size of the widget, just go to Layers. Now from here, just tap on Scale. Now, as you can see, it is set at 100. We will change it to 50. Now from here, just tap on Done. Now from here, as you can see, the widget has zoomed out. Now from here, as you can see, we have changed the size of the widget and the whole widget has appeared. Now from here, once you are satisfied with your edit, just tap on Save. Now as you can see, when we change the number from 100 to 50, we change the size of the widget. Now I think it is a little bit too small. We will select 50. We will change it to 60 and we will see. Just tap on Done. Now I think we will change it to 75 and check if it fits the frame. Just tap on done. Now as you can see, we have changed the size of the widget to fit the frame. Now from here, once you're satisfied with your widget, just tap on save. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, this is how you can add custom widgets on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.